Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize this template to fit your own needs or brand identity. We'll take a look under the hood to see exactly how this project is built. I've created a very clean and intuitive structure, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can easily figure it out and create your own unique look. Once you download the project, you'll get a zip archive. Extract it, and inside the main folder, you'll find 3 subfolders. After Effects. This contains 3 different aspect ratios. Fonts. This includes a link to download the exact font used in this project, though you are free to use any font you like. Tutorial, where you can follow along step by step to understand how everything works. Let's get started. First, I highly recommend installing the font. Go to the Fonts folder, open the text file, and click the link. The font is hosted on Adobe Fonts, and you'll need to activate 2 weights, regular and bold. Once you find the font, just click the Add Font button. Then, open your Adobe Creative Cloud app, navigate to Adobe Fonts, and ensure the new fonts are installed. Next, go back to the After Effects folder, select the aspect ratio you need, and open the project. Here is what it looks like from the inside. Let's start by adding your logo. Import your logo file into the project panel. Then, navigate to the first folder named Edit, open it, go to the Logo folder, and open the logo composition. Drop your logo onto the timeline. If you are using a vector logo, make sure to check the Continuously Rasterize switch. This will keep your logo perfectly sharp. Now, switch over to the final composition and scrub through the timeline to make sure your logo fits nicely. Next, let's replace the text. Go to the Texts folder and open each text composition one by one. Double-click the text layer and type your custom word. Do the same for the rest of the text compositions. Double-click the layer and change the text. As you may have noticed, there are 4 control layers in the final composition. Each layer has its own specific control functions. Let's start tweaking the colors. Select the first layer named Background. This is where you change the background colors. Next, select the second layer, Elements. Here you can change the colors of the animated elements. The third layer controls the text colors. And the last layer, Logo, allows you to customize the color of the inner placeholder elements for the logo. That's pretty much it. Scrub through the timeline once more to make sure all your changes look juicy and beautiful. By the way, in the third folder, you can find all the raw assets and pre-compositions used to build this project. If you're curious, feel free to open them up and see how everything works behind the scenes. Once you are done with customization, select the final composition, add it to the render queue, choose your preferred video format, and hit render. Thank you, and good luck with your projects.